Thank you for buying an Intex above-ground pool. Setting it up is simple and easy. This video will give you a quick overview of your new pool and how to set it up. There are also important detailed instructions in your owner's manual. Watching this video will help you visualize details of the pool setup. The pool shown is the 13 feet 1.5 inch by 9 feet 10 inch by 49 inch or 400 centimeters by 300 centimeters by 124 centimeters graphite gray panel rectangular pool. Assembly requires 2 to 3 people. No tools are required. Open the carton carefully so you can reuse it to store your pool. Check that you have all parts listed in the manual. Do not assemble the pool if parts are damaged or missing. For replacement parts, please visit our website at www.intexcorp.com. It is important to determine ahead of time where to set up your pool, since the pool cannot be moved once it is filled with water. Follow these guidelines. Set up your pool on a completely level surface. Do not set up on mud, sand, or loose soil. Failure to set up the pool on level, compact ground may result in the pool being unstable and leaning to one side when filled with water. Do not place the pool against a house, wall, or fence. First, the pool should be within reach of a garden hose and a GFCI or RCD electrical outlet. The pool cannot be moved anywhere after it is filled with water. Envision the traffic patterns around the pool when determining where to place the filter pump so people will not trip on the electric cord. Do not plug the pump into an electrical outlet until you have finished setting up both the pool and the pump. Follow these electrical guidelines. You must be able to plug in the pump into an electrical outlet without using an extension cord. Electrical outlets must be GFCI or RCD protected. Please check local requirements. Some communities require fencing or wall enclosures. Since your pool has a panel enclosure around the metal frame and liner, you must prepare the ground where it will stand. This will ensure that both the liner and the enclosure will stand on the same level when the pool is filled with water. Mark off the length A, 168 inches or 427 centimeters, and the width B, 128 inches or 325 centimeters area where the pool will sit with chalk or paint. Remove the sod, cutting the edge carefully to leave the lawn intact around the enclosure. Level the ground and check to make sure there are no low or high spots within the area. Stamp the exposed area to firm up the soil, paying careful attention to the outer area where the metal posts and the enclosure supports will be located. Embed 14 pieces of patio block. The minimum dimensions of each block should be 18 inches by 18 inches by 2 inches, or 45.7 by 45.7 by 5.1 centimeters. Flush with the bare earth supporting the corner legs, U-shaped side supports, and each post surrounding the pool frame. This will keep the enclosure level with the pool when the pool is full. Before unrolling the pool, clear the area of any objects that might puncture the liner and avoid dragging it in place. Take out the ground cloth and spread it over the cleared area. Carry your pool to your chosen location. Never drag the pool across the ground. You may damage the liner and cause leaks. Unroll the pool over the ground cloth. Make sure the pool is right side up and let the liner warm in the sun for easier assembly. If you have a filter pump to be connected to the pool, look for the pool connection holes and rotate the pool so they will face the filter pump. Position the liner so that the U-shaped side supports and corner legs will rest in the center of the patio blocks under the ground cloth. Smooth out the liner and center it on the ground cloth. Lay out all the horizontal beams. corner joints, corner legs, legs end caps, U-shaped side supports around the pool. Continue with B beams and snapping them into the A beams, then do the same with the C beams, snapping into the B beams. Slide the beams first into the sleeve openings located in each corner, keeping the metal beams holes aligned with the liner sleeve holes. Install the corner joints at each corner and fix it with the provided plastic pins as shown. Attach the leg's end cap to the bottom of each corner leg first. Connect the corner leg to the corner joint. Make sure the corner leg spring pin is snapped into the corner joint holes. Continue the process with all the corner legs. Make sure all the corner legs are in a vertical and perpendicular position with the ground. Push all the corner joints downward to ensure they are firmly connected to the legs. Slide the U-shaped side support through the restrainer strap. Insert the U-shaped side supports into the A, B, C beam holes by squeezing the bottom button inward with your fingers. Once the U-shaped side support is inside the beam, release the buttons, allowing the U-shaped side support to snap into place. Repeat with all U-shaped side supports. Pull the bottoms of the side supports out away from the liner to make the restrainer straps taut, and make sure the strap is centered on the U-support. Repeat the process for all the U-shaped side supports. Important! Before proceeding to the next step, ensure that the U-shaped side supports and vertical legs are resting on the patio or wooden blocks. Before filling the pool with water, ensure that the drain plug inside the pool is closed and that the drain cap on the outside is screwed on tightly. Fill the pool with no more than 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters of water. Check to see how the water spreads across the liner. If the pool is level, it will spread evenly. The pool must be level to avoid safety problems. Smooth out the bottom liner wrinkles, if any. Then continue filling the pool with water up to just below the white sleeve line. Important! During the filling, periodically check and pull all the U-shaped side supports out away from the liner to make the straps taut and ensure the straps are centered on the U-support. Assemble the pool enclosure before completing the pool water hookup. Place the U-support bottom inner clamp on the inside of the U-support first, then place the U-support bottom outer clamp over the inner clamp and the U-support. Make sure the inner clamp is inserted through the outer clamp opening as shown. Next, insert the protruding end of the side adjustable base into the U-support bottom inner clamp opening. Use the included bolt wrench to turn the bolt inside the adjustable base to secure it to the outer clamp. Turn the bolt clockwise until the double arrow line mark is aligned with the inner clamp. Repeat the procedure to install the rest of U-support bottom inner and outer clamps and side adjustable bases. Place the corner base in position by aligning it with the corner leg. Starting at any location, but always working in the same direction, connect a bottom rail in between 2 side adjustable bases and between a corner base and adjustable base. Ensure the holes on the bottom rail hook through the knobs on the adjustable bases and corner bases. Repeat this procedure around the pool until all the bottom rails, side adjustable and corner bases have been connected. Important! Before proceeding to the next step, adjust the bottom rails, side adjustable bases, and corner bases so that they are all aligned in a straight line and parallel to the pool wall. To move the side adjustable base away from the U-support, turn the bolt inside the adjustable base counterclockwise. Turning the bolt clockwise will move the adjustable base closer to the U-support. Hook the corner top brackets to the bottom side of the corner joints. Attach the corner top plates over the corner joints. Secure the corner top plate to the top bracket with a bolt as shown. Repeat the process for the other corners. Next, insert the corner posts into the corner bases. Tighten the bolt with a wrench to secure the post to the base. Then, cover the bolt with a waterproof cap. Attach the upper part of the corner post to the underside of the corner top bracket and secure it with a bolt as shown. Repeat the process for the other corners. Next, install the central side legs. Insert the top of the side leg through the belt located on each longitudinal side of the pool top sleeve. Insert the lower end of the side leg into the side adjustable base hole. Ensure the spring pin is securely snapped into the hole. Repeat the process for the other side of the pool. Next, install the side legs. Insert the lower end of the side leg into the side adjustable base hole. Check that the spring pin is securely snapped into the hole. Repeat the process for all the side legs. Next, install the side posts and side top brackets. Insert the side posts into the side adjustable bases. Secure the post to the base with a bolt as shown. Attach the side top brackets to the top of the side posts and side legs. Make sure the spring pin on the side leg snapped into the hole located under the side top brackets. Then secure the side posts, 26, to the side top brackets with a bolt. Repeat the process for all side posts. Next, locate the strainer nuts, flat strainer rubber washers, and the inlet and outlet threaded strainer connectors in the filter pump packaging. Unscrew and remove the plunger valve from the inlet threaded air connector. Unscrew the large nut from the inlet threaded air connector, leaving the flat rubber washer on the connector. And install them on the liner pre-cut holes as shown here. From inside the pool, insert the connector through the hole. From outside the pool, screw the large nut back onto the connector. Make sure it is as tight as possible using fingers only. Screw the air jet valve over the inlet threaded. Make sure the air jet valve is securely tightened and facing up. The number of side panels varies by pool size. Side panels which need special attention during installation. First, the side panels that fit outside the pool inlet-outlet holes and the drain valve. And second, the side panel with the warning signs which need to be easily visible by pool users before entering the pool. Locate the side boards with holes and markings from the pack. Locate the pool side with the inlet and outlet hose connection fittings and the drain valve. Slide in the side board marked 1 with a hole between two side posts. Make sure the tongues fit inside the bottom rail groove. Ensure the side board hole matches the pool drain valve. Continue sliding side board marked 2. Make sure the tongues between sideboards 1 and 2 interlock each other. Shake the sideboards to ensure they are securely locked. Check that the sideboard holes match the pool inlet and outlet hose connection fittings. Next, install the plunger valve connectors. Make sure the gaskets are inside the plunger valve connectors and screw the plunger valve connectors to the inlet and outlet threaded strainer connectors which were already installed on the pool liner during the pool setup. Check that the L-shape O-ring is inside the plunger valves and screw the plunger valves onto the plunger valve connectors. Close the plunger valves. Now the strainer valve caps can be removed from the threaded strainer connectors from the inside of the pool. Lastly, slide in the sideboard marked 3. Make sure the tongues between sideboards 2 and 3 interlock each other. Shake the sideboards to ensure they are securely interlocked. Continue installing the other sideboards one by one from bottom to top. Check that the side with the wood vanes pattern is facing outward. Next, install the top boards on top of the sideboards and the pool horizontal beams, making sure the holes at its two ends are aligned with the nuts on the side top brackets and corner top brackets. Check that the groove underneath the top boards fit over the sideboard's tongues. Use the included hexagon key to secure the top boards with a washer, spring washer, and fastener. Repeat this procedure until all the top boards are fixed to the side and corner top brackets and side boards. There are 4 pieces of the top board with printed warnings, which must be installed with one on each side. Next, install the side top covers. Insert the cover gap filler into the side top cover underside. Install the side top cover with the gap filler where 2 of the top boards meet. Secure the side top covers with bolts as shown. Tighten the bolts with the wrench provided and then cover the bolt with a waterproof cap. Next, install the corner top covers on the 4 corners as shown. Secure the covers with a bolt and cover the bolts with a waterproof cap. Continue to the pump menu for directions on connecting the hoses and the pump. Once the pump is installed, you are ready to filter the water. Hydro-aeration technology provides some excellent benefits for your Intex pool. Enhance the water circulation. Push sediments through the filtration system, while air mixes with water to promote the oxidation with magnesium iron elements. Your pool water sparkles with clarity. Now your pool is ready to use. Once the pool is filled, there should be no object within 4 feet or 1.2 meters of the pool that a child can climb onto to enter the pool. Post the pool safety sign included with your pool where it will be seen by all pool users. If you purchased an Intex cover, it should only be used when the pool is not in use. These are not safety covers and will not keep children out of the pool. Children must not play on or under a cover. 2 people may be needed to pull the cover over your pool. Never install or remove the cover while you're in the pool. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your Intex pool. Please select the instructional video for the filter pump appropriate for your pool.